Them sure ain't no pigs, Ty.
Wait, that's Shorty. Man, that big fool used to run with Sabu back in the joint.
Sabu was in there with the dope, man. You believe me now?
Remember, I need for you to get this out of here because the next 2 weeks I got a big sale coming. It's on the 5th and the 7th, okay? So I need for you to get this, these 2 boxes, and the ones over there, I need for you to get them out of here. The dude called me, he'll bring his money at 12:30, okay? You gotta be down there with shit, but you know what? You let your people know that I'm the man. They want to get rid of their stuff, I'm the one they want to shit. That I'm gonna have all these customers. We doing it in here. Look at this, man. We doing it. This is my spot. Shorty, move them boxes on the other side. Look at that. It's all working here, baby. Everybody working. All you gotta do is bring your stuff to me, and I get there.
Give me door set. We've got a problem.
Panther man!
Panther man, come on, baby. I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna let it go. Look, I ain't got nothing, baby. I ain't got nothing. I ain't got no gun, no ear, no nothing, baby. I'm through with it. Talk to me. I know who you are, man. I know you like the pig's money much as I do. We can both get paid now, baby. You know what I'm saying? Both of us. Look, I got everything, man. Look at this. I got everything. I got the cocaine, got the heroin, whatever you need. It's me and you. We don't need to kill each other, black man. The Black Panthers is over, baby. It's over. Today is a new day.